The most common cause I am discussing with you is the stress and the anxiety. Stress and anxiety plays a important role. Second thing, sleeping disorder. Any sleeping disorder you are having, then this disease may develop. Sleeping disorder might be the sleep apnea, obstructive sleep apnea, or snoria. Like this problem can cause the teeth grinding habit. Third, any temporomandibular joint disorder may also cause the teeth grinding habit. And the last one is any disocclusion or malocclusion can also lead to the teeth grinding habit.